In this question, we are given y function in terms of x and the second derivative of y when x is equals to 1. We are asked to find what is the value of a. We need to first find y prime and then we can find y double prime, which will be the first and the second derivative respectively. Y prime x, or the first derivative of y, will be equals to, keep the a here, bring down the power 3, reduce the power 3 by 1, which will give us 2, plus, here we have a product of two functions. We can treat x as function u in terms of x, and we can treat this as v. Let's recap on the product rule. So when we differentiate with respect to x two functions in terms of x, we will get u multiplied by dv dx plus v multiplied by the differentiation of u with respect to x. So put down the first function, which is x, differentiate the second function with respect to x, which will give us ex, plus put down the second function, ex, multiplied by the differentiation of the first function with respect to x, which will give us 1. When we differentiate negative 1, we will get 0. Let us simplify this a bit. So here you get 3a x squared plus x e to the power of x plus e to the power of x. Next, we can find the second derivative of y. Y double prime x is equals to, so we have a 3a here. So when we differentiate x squared, we will get 2, bring down the power 2, x, reduce the power by 1, will give you x. Here again is a product of two functions. We can make use of the product rule again. So put down the first function, x, differentiate the second function with respect to x, which will give us ex, plus put down the second function, ex, differentiate the first function with respect to x, which will give us 1. And here, it will give us ex. Simplifying it, we will get 6a x plus x e to the power of x plus these two, you can add them up together to form 2e to the power of x. So let us substitute x is equals to 1 into the second derivative of y that we have found. So when we substitute x equals to 1 into the above equation, we get y double prime 1 to be equals to 6a, here becomes 1, plus e to the power of 1 plus 2e to the power of 1. And this is equals to 6a plus 3e. And so when we compare this with what we have found, we have a 3e here, and 12 will be equals to 6a. So 6a is equals to 12. Therefore, we know that a is equals to 2. That will be our answer.